In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the gradient video effect on your VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab at the top, and then select Effects and Filters. Select the Video Effects tab, and then select Colors underneath of that. Where it says over here on the right side gradient, go ahead and check mark that, and you can adjust the gradient mode as well as the color for that. And then just select Save to save it down at the bottom, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.